We get it. Dealing with a contractor can be frustrating as it is, especially when you're dealing with an unhealthy home, a wet basement, or possible issues with your foundation. That's why here at Healthy Spaces, we are redefining our customers' experience with a contractor.
Healthy Spaces' approach towards our clients that separates us from other contractors is that we treat each customer like it's our grandmother's home. That's kind of our slogan around here. We're not there just for a check. We're not there just to have another job. We're there to actually create a difference in their home and their lives moving forward. I think all of our services stand out because we provide continual training weekly, but I think the idea that we can provide all of those to you without you having to have multiple contractors in the home also creates a better experience for you as the homeowner and for us as a company, because we get to create a relationship and not just a once and done type of job. So we can be there for you as your home changes throughout the years, other than having to outsource those things to other companies.